Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Miss Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 3, Human Health, and today I will deliver its 10th lecture. So my dear students, today we will make a project number 2, and we will build your own treatment system. सो क्योंकि हम आजकल हम पढ़ रहे हैं कि पानी को कैसे प्योरीफाई किया जाए, तो आज हम प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे जिसमें आप अपना वाटर ट्रीटमेंट सिस्टम जो है वो घर पे बना सकते हैं. कैसे बनाएंगे? वी विल हैव अ लुक एट दैट. बिफोर दैट लेट्स क्विकली रीकैप व्हाट वी डिड इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू यूज बॉइल्ड वाटर एट होम और नॉट? You must use boiled water. अगर आप tap water use करें तो do not do that. Filter it or boil it before using. So do you filter your water on for daily use? We must all filter water before our daily use to keep ourselves away from germs. So my dear students, polluted water can be purified easily. There are two ways to purify it, boiling or filtering. So in today's lecture, we will make a project on water purification with the help of water filtering. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. It is He who sends down water, rain from the sky. From it you drink and from it grows the vegetation on which you send your cattle to pasture. So my dear students, जो पानी आसमान से अल्लाह ताला बरसाते हैं वो साफ होता है, बिल्कुल प्योरीफाइड होता है. आफ्टर फ्यू टाइम मिनट्स जब बारिश हो जाती है तो पानी बिल्कुल साफ और पाक हो जाता है, और इस पानी को हम इजीली ड्रिंक भी कर सकते हैं. So my dear students, in today's lecture, students will be able to explore a few ways that can help make water clean and suitable for drinking, like filtration and boiling. We will discuss about filtration today. So my dear students, some pre-reading questions. Quickly tell me, how can we make water clean by ourselves? By boiling and filtration. Very good. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward towards the project. Quickly open page number 50 for project number 2. Okay, my dear students, build your own water treatment system. So first, let's have a look. What do you need? ठीक है, आपको मटेरियल क्या क्या चाहिए? We need a water bottle. आपको एक disposable water bottle चाहिए. उसके बाद आपको a pair of scissors or knife. Then cotton balls or clean fabric. Sand, large gravels, small gravels. Cups to hold clean and dirty water. So my dear students, let's have a look कि मैंने किस तरीके से जो है वो तमाम जो चीज़ें हैं वो इकट्ठी की हैं. I will show you that. First of all, we will have a look. हमारे पास एक वाटर बॉटल होनी चाहिए. वाटर बॉटल को हम कट कर लेंगे. So what I did is मैंने वाटर बॉटल ले ली थी, और वाटर बॉटल को इस तरीके से, ये वाटर बॉटल पूरी थी और मैंने इसको टू हाफ्स में कट कर लिया. ठीक है, और मैंने कट किस चीज़ से किया? विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ कटर. पेपर कटर से ये इजीली कट हो जाता है. आफ्टर दैट वी नीड क्लीन क्लॉथ. आई टुक क्लीन क्लॉथ. मैंने बिल्कुल साफ एक कॉटन क्लॉथ लिया और उसको मैंने रबर बैंड की हेल्प से इसके माउथ को सील कर दिया. देन आई पुट सैंड इन द एंड. सबसे नीचे हमने सैंड डाली. उसके बाद मैंने इसके अंदर थोड़ी सी स्मॉल ग्रेवल्स डाले जिसको बजरी कहते हैं, एंड देन आई पुट लार्ज ग्रेवल्स ऑन द टॉप. सो नाउ वी ऑल्सो नीड सम कप्स. मेरे पास ये कप है, इसके अंदर साफ पानी जाएगा, एंड ऑल्सो टुक अप वाटर कप जिसके अंदर ये डर्टी वाटर है, तो हम इसको आज फिल्टर करेंगे. बट फर्स्ट हैव अ लुक एट द प्रोसीजर. Follow the steps. Cut the end of the empty water bottle with the help of the pair of the scissors. That's like I did. Make a small hole in the center of the bottle cap. Close the cap tightly. Now stick cotton ball or fabric through the hole of the cap and tie it around the cap. In the next step, fill up the bottle 2 inches with sand. Add small gravels into the bottle up to 2 inches above the sand. In the last step, fill up the bottle with the large gravels up to 2 inches. The water filter is ready to use. Put the filter over the empty cup for clean water. Pour the dirty water into the filter. Lo and behold, dirty water comes out clean. Boil it to make it germ free. So my dear students, now what we will do is, मैंने यहाँ dirty water ले लिया. Now slowly I will pour it in this filtration plant. And slowly you will see that it will come out from the end. इस तरीके से ये इसके एंड से निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा. and you can see कि ये पानी काफ़ी dirty था. It was quite dirty. आपको शायद dirt भी नीचे नज़र आ रही है, but when you will see it here, पानी बिल्कुल साफ होके निकलने लग गया है. और इस पानी को आप जो है वो कैसे germ free कर सकते हैं after filtration? You can boil it and then you can use it because it will become germ free. So let it go. ये थोड़ी देर लेगा but it will filter down. You can see that it is coming out. So this is how it will come out. So after some time it will be clean. So now let me transfer it to the other cup, and here you can see that the water is absolutely clean. Water is absolutely clean and you can boil it to make it germ free. So my dear students, so this is a process called filtration and you can boil it to make it germ free. So my dear students, this is it. So for evaluation, how does water can be purified at your home? By using filtration and boiling. So my dear students, for practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. So my dear students, name and your roll number, label the figure according to the project. So my dear students, हमने ये project अभी बनाया है, तो आपको इसको label भी करना है. So this is a plastic bottle. So sand, then comes small gravel, then comes large gravel, and this is the dirty water, and the clean water will come out and you will cover it with a clean cloth also. So my dear students, this is how you will label this diagram, and pause the video and complete it. I hope everybody has done it. So my dear students, now let's move forward towards your homework. For homework, do this project at home. आपको ये filtration plant, अपना filtration system खुद बनाना है. सब चीज़ें आपको घर से या घर के बाहर से easily मिल जाएंगी. कुछ भी आपको buy नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Disposable bottle you need, plastic disposable bottle, and you need plastic cups. You need some sand, gravel, and large gravels. And then you can make your own filtration plant at home. So my dear students, for wrap up, so today we have learned that boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius makes water able to drink. Making water free of impurities is called purification of water. Filtration by a piece of alum and a clean cloth make water clean and ready to use. So my dear students, build your own filtration system with the help of homemade things or disposable things. So my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Make your own filtration plant. Try to drink clean water to make yourself healthy. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.